Trucks, trucks, and more trucks. IG Burton Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Milford has more trucks than ever.
There's nobody in the area with a larger selection of trucks than IG Burton Milford's Mega Mile. Nobody. We make shopping for a new truck easy. Whether you're looking for a short bed, long bed, two-wheel drive, or four-wheel drive, you can count on IG Burton Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Milford to have what you're looking for.
Stop by and see our incredible selection of trucks and experience our award-winning service department. At IG Burton Milford, you can count on us.